These are the elevators here at the Forest Hill Station in San Francisco. So Dover's with VR. This one right here is broken. It's actually stuck at the floor right here. This one is still working. Yeah, they're still original.
What are you documenting?
We're interested in elevators.
Oh.
On down?
Yep.
Alright, are you guys reporting out on
The elevators.
Really?
Yep.
Is this for a project or for?
We're just interested.
Just a hobby.
That sounds fine.
Yeah.
Don't be a terrorist, then we'll be good. I can tell you which ones work and don't. But now you're gonna have to redo this because I'm talking all over it.
You have a good rest of the day.
You too.
Wow.
Switch over the other bank?
Yeah.
These are...
Don't be a terrorist, really? Come on. So unnecessary.
All of them. Except for alarm. You going?
No? What the
Ooh.
heck?
Okay.
Just randomly.
We're here.
Car in to Valhalla Park Station. Next K in 10 minutes. M in 13 minutes.
I wonder what that is.
These ones are slightly taller.
Just basic up and down buttons. These are so beat up.
I'm honestly surprised it's not that hard to
They're the only Dovers on the line. Wow.
do. These are very fast.
You want to switch?
Yes.
Oh, that's a weird place for the access switch.
There's the hospital on there.
It's open. All the buttons, even the alarm. It's literally just blank.
Yeah, just that. The Dover logo's in pretty good condition on this one.
Look at that massive camera.
I love the tile work in the
God.
station.
Thick boy. 6,000 pound capacity.
This station is built into a mountain. It's about, what, 10 levels underground?
Yeah. Church station.
What?
These have their issues. Ended on the platform? Sure. Your phone, atoms. That air freshener is just gone.
That door starts to open.
I'm surprised those aren't Adam's replacements. Alright, that'll be it.